Alright, hey y'all, I am back. So today I will be removing my box braids. Today is week 7 that I've had these in my hair. I have not washed them since they have been in my hair. Yeah, I haven't washed them since they've been in my hair. Honestly, I haven't really done anything. I would just occasionally spray them. I barely oil my scalp. I would do a lot of scalp massages with that, but I barely oil my scalp. But yeah, but it's time for them to come out. As you can see, here is my new growth. Let's try this again. Here's my new growth. I don't know if you really can see for real. And then the back of my hair, because y'all know I had that undercut, so yeah, that's holding on. But so yeah, so one thing I will say is when taking down box braids, you want to make sure you know where your hair starts and where it stops at. It's really hot in here. I need to turn on the heat. You want to make sure you know where your hair stops at. My hair is not that long. The front of my hair is. Some of these I can see how long they are, like my real hair. Other ones I can't. My hair is different lengths. So, and then with the color being really close to my actual hair color, like the ends of my hair, makes it a little harder too. So you can always, of course, cut. Since my hair is not that long, I can honestly cut here all the way around and be safe. But when I get to the back though, I can cut shorter since I know my hair is shorter. So that's basically what we're going to do just to get them started. Kind of cute. In the vibe. Shoot, if I would have been smart and if I would have did it right. Ouch. Oh, I thought about this a long time ago. I could have had me a nice little bow tag on it. Ignore that. My child is in here on his device. Gotta keep him occupied while I'm doing this. Man, but for real though. No, seriously, except for that piece. If I would have been thinking, I could have easily cut these into a really cute bob last night. And that's one thing when it comes to me and my hairstyles, depending on how it is, especially if it's crocheted, depending on the type of hair, I can stretch it out, so I'll leave it one way, and as time goes on, I'll mess with it. I mean, that's kind of what anybody wants hairstyles. I wanted to take a picture. No, this is actually cute. I like this little bob look. So okay, anyways, wasting time. Anyways, so yeah, so after you do that, put your hair into sections. However you want to take them down, that is absolutely fine. Well, okay. All right, so that's what you remind me of. Set it off, Jada's character. All right, so I got them all cut. So next is the fun part, is taking them down. So since it's just me here, ouch. It's going to take a little longer than I want, only because it's just me. I have a newborn, got the 2-year-old, he doesn't have daycare today. So yeah, this is definitely going to take time. So I'm going to take my time. So yeah, and I guess when I get so far, I will come back and talk to you guys. Hey, alright, so I'm back. As you can see, I got the majority of my braids out. My nice little stack, which is actually cute. My nice little stack going on back there. And so, yeah, I figure I'll just come on and take out my last Hut 4 braids. Yeah, let that be it. So now the thing with this, and honestly, it didn't take me that long because I had what I ended up doing, like I ended up going through and cutting them shorter because I know like where my hair stopped. Well, mostly where my hair stops at, and so since my hair isn't so long, I was able to go through and cut them shorter, so that way it didn't take as long. So thank God for having short hair. But yeah, I was really nervous about when I was taking these out because, like I told you, I was pregnant, and I got them like about 10 days before I had the baby, and so I knew postpartum shedding ain't no joke. I'm gonna show y'all a picture of my first baby when I had that postpartum shedding. My edges were like gone, like both sides. Yeah, so that's how that was looking. And so with these braids, and then with I started to get nervous because, especially like with the ones in the front, like where my edges and stuff were at, I was just like, okay. Sometimes I would kind of like tug on them, or like lighters would kind of like do something to them, and so I felt like they were pulling. But so far they're still here. I guess I'll know for real after I like shampoo my hair and stuff and like dry it out. I'm done. As you can see, my ends are a little on the raggedy side. I need to probably will have to like cut them. Here is the amount of shedding that I've gotten so far for my hair. Of course, I knew shedding was, I knew shedding was going to happen. Here is my edges on this side. It's not that bad. And then here are my edges. Oops, sorry. My edges on this side. Y'all can really tell. My sister got this out. Sister got me out. Okay. So yeah, so like y'all saw in our previous picture, how much I lost, which I knew I was gonna lose hair, but I still haven't even shampooed, dried my hair yet. So it all of that is really going to change once I actually do that. But typical shedding, maybe a little bit more than normal, but that's how much I have lost so far. And yeah, so I guess that's it for that. So yeah, I did not wet my hair. It's extremely dry. I did not wet it because I didn't want to get like matted or tangled up. So that's why it's still dry. It's not all the way stretched out. So this is the length that we're kind of working with right now. Of course, we'll know it's true once I blow dry it. So yeah.